Hello learners, today we are going to learn about micro teaching, which is a teacher training and faculty development technique program. At the end of this lesson, you shall be able to define micro teaching, explain what is micro teaching and its principle, limitation and disadvantages of micro teaching evaluation, plan, prepare and conduct micro teaching.
Concept of micro-teaching. Micro-teaching is a special teaching practice model or teaching training method. In this teaching context, there contains many actions like use of methods, usage of media, learning guide, motivation, classroom management, assessment, analyzing, and so on. The concept of micro-teaching is mainly based on the following points. Teaching in its real form but with a minimum concept. The exercise which is designed focuses mostly on the basic teaching skills with the help of feedback based on the knowledge and information of student learning level. The teaching is conducted for students who are from different backgrounds and their intellectual abilities. Monitoring the micro-teaching exercises conducted in classrooms. Enabling the prospective teachers to learn effective teaching skills. Helping the students to actively participate in teaching by providing low-risk situation. It also offers opportunities for retraining at regular time intervals. Principles of micro-teaching revolves on certain principles to improve the micro-teaching methods and which reaches to the instructors for their development. The following are the certain principles given below. 1 skill at one time. In skills in micro-teaching are targeted one at a time. Training on particular skills are given until it is mastered. Once mastered, another skill is targeted next. Thus, micro-teaching aims for one skill at a time. Small-scale content. Limiting the content gives more freedom and ease to the trainees. Thus, micro-teaching is based upon the principles of limited content. Teachers are to prepare their lessons within the given content, therefore it becomes easier for them to conduct their lessons. Practice makes a man perfect. Mastering skills require practice. While focusing on one skill at a time, micro-teaching program also gives an opportunity to practice those skills. Lots of practice can boost the self-confidence and promote development of teaching skills. Experiments. Experiments are the key factors in any concept. In micro-teaching, many experiments are conducted in order to test the skills of the teachers. For example, the supervisors conduct experiments where the length of the lessons, time duration, strength of students in the class, etc. is changed. These skills are tested under controlled condition. Instantaneous feedbacks. Micro-teaching consists of teacher as a learner and supervisors as students. Once a session ends, teacher, learner and supervisors come up with their feedback. This feedback is given instantly after the lesson plan ends. Thus, it helps in rectifying the drawbacks. Self-evaluation opportunities. Evaluation plays an important role in any task. In micro-teaching, supervisors conducts various tests and thus there are several chances to analyze mistakes. Evaluation gives an opportunity to understand the mistake and overcome it. This program includes a session where drawbacks are pointed out along with their solution. Thus, overall improvement becomes an easier target. Continuous efforts. Acquiring and mastering skills is a slow and ongoing process. Even after mastering a previous skill, one should continually strive for betterment. Continuous efforts makes it easier to attain overall development. Limitations or disadvantages of micro-teaching. The following mentioned are few micro-teaching limitations. Hampers the creativity. Creativity is the core of any job. It flows along with the task. However, in process of micro-teaching, due to limited period, it becomes difficult to bring out that creativity. Thus, micro-teaching does not contribute in increasing the bars of creativity. Training staff. Better teaching promotes better learning experience. Similarly, for better teaching one needs to undergo better training as well. Micro-teaching course benefits teachers in gaining that experience. But it requires well-trained educators to train the teachers. Without a proper educating staff, it is impossible to implement micro-teaching course. Lesser student, lesser interest. Teaching is an art. However, not everyone is capable of teaching. Any job needs passion and interest, which plays a key role in driving the person to strive for improvement. In micro-teaching program, there are maximum 3 to 4 students, therefore lesser students fail to motivate the teacher to improve. Instead, there are chances of teachers losing their interest altogether. Wastes a lot of time. Micro-teaching is teacher-oriented activity. Here the focus is on improving efficiency in teaching techniques. Each session lasts around 5 to 10 minutes minimum. During this period, the aim is to develop teaching skills and thus, student learning is ignored. It certainly wastes the time of student as it does not benefit him. Further, for practicing several times, various students are called at different period. This may also hamper them overall academic performance. Thus, it is advisable to conduct the training program keeping in mind all the factors. Training period timing. Micro-teaching program is undoubtedly a benefiting course to the teaching staff. It is a promising method for the holistic development of the teachers in the teaching field. However, there is one minor drawback of this program. The training period is not enough to develop all the required skills properly. In addition, one trainee needs approximately 35 minutes to practice once. Not more than 10 trainees can practice once within 5 hours. It is certainly a time-consuming program. Not realistic and practical. Micro-teaching is a very advanced form of learning, however, it does have its own limitation. When it comes to teaching a diverse level of students at once, it becomes a hassle. During the training, the strength of the students is limited, however, when the strength of students is increased, it seems like a problem. This program manages to keep the teachers away from the real classroom problems. As a result, trainees struggle in maintaining classroom behavior. Moreover, artificial situations do not help in preparing teachers for real-time situation. One alone is not sufficient. Micro-teaching is a concept innovated at Stanford University by Professor Robert Bush and White Allen. One of the principles of micro-teaching is skill enhancement. However, these skills are targeted one at a time, and so not all skills are developed within the given period. Thus, integration of different micro-teaching techniques is needed. One at a time. Apart from the skills, micro-teaching involves only one trainee at a time. For a single session of training, it requires approximate 35 minutes. Thus, single trainee can practice only once in 35 minutes. It is not only time-consuming but also an irritating process for the supervisors if there are more than 10 trainees in a batch. Micro-teaching is indeed at an advanced level of teaching program that enables the teachers to gain confidence before stepping into the profession of a teacher. With the vast impact of globalization on every aspect of the world, there is certainly need of various schools. Efficient and effective teaching is one of the major factors parents look at before enrolling their children into a school. Thus, implementing micro-teaching programs for new teachers as well as for service teachers are an ideal way to set foot with the world. Pros and cons are a part of every innovation, and thus keeping in mind those aspects, one should opt for the suitable program. Micro-teaching is a widely accepted technique adopted and approved by various institutions. Micro-teaching practice evaluation. Following form is used to assess the instructor or trainees while performing their micro-teaching lesson. Name. Rate the student's performance based on the criteria in the table, from 1 to 5 according to their performance. Poor, need improvement. Below average. Average. Good. Outstanding. Strength. Weakness. Recommendation to improve teaching skills. Micro-teaching practice. Each trainees will conduct micro-teaching for 10 minutes duration by selecting a single objective pertaining to his/her trade subject. Plan, prepare for conducting micro-teaching. Conduct micro-teaching for 10 minutes presentation duration. Get critics from the participants. Replan, prepare, and the present. Get the feedback.
Micro-teaching is a teacher training technique that involves breaking down the teaching process into smaller, more manageable parts. Ultimately, micro-teaching serves as a powerful tool for professional development, enabling teachers to continuously enhance their teaching strategies and improve the overall learning experience for their students. Thank you for exploring the concept of micro-teaching with us. In our next video, we will bring you another interesting topics. Till then, take care.